Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Aquestive Therapeutics, ticker AQST. I did a video on this one back on November 16th in regards to a comment on another one of my videos. And then I just had another comment on this one in regards to an update, FDA approval, and so on. When I covered this one back on November 16th, the price was $6.02, and now it's $3.92, so it's dropped off since I last talked about it. Sorry, that wasn't my fault. It's probably just the stock market in general, as everything's been down in the last couple weeks and going on a month. So, but again, this is Aquestive Therapeutics, ticker AQST. This is what it looks like over the last month. It's it's been up and down, kind of all over the place. Had a nice dip here to 333, up to 444, 463. Took another dip. So this one's just kind of all over the place. You could have traded this one. In the last 3 months, it's down over 12%. In the last month, it's down as well. So November 16th, right in here is where I talked about it. $6.02, and so it's came down a little bit, ran up, came back down, runs up, and then drops back off. 622, so maybe it's on a run back up again, so maybe it'll, I don't know, go back up to the $6 range. It's something to think about. But here's a look at the last month, down over 37, almost 38%. In the last week, it's down over 9%, and here in the today, it's down over 1%. So not hasn't been doing too well here, but if you're looking into this one, might be a buying opportunity for you. But I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you to do your own due diligence. But if you don't know much about this one, they engage in identifying, developing, and commercializing differentiated products to address the unmet medical needs and to solve patients' therapeutic problems. Its products pipeline include Libervant, Suboxone, Suplens. The company was founded in January 2004, headquartered in Warren, New Jersey, and the ticker is AQST. So kind of a different company, founded in 2004. Not much volume on this one, 699,000, average of 1.48 million, so I doubt it if this one moves a whole lot in price. You can see it goes up and down, but it's not going to have any major movement. So like I said, if you wanted to trade this one, this might be the one to trade. Market cap of 157 million, so small company. And the next earnings are expected on March 8th. And so I come across some information here. Bing is showing it as a buy with a 1-year price target of $15. So here's a little bit more information. Monocell develops thin film technology for drug delivery. Read this first before you buy Aquestive Therapeutics. This is dated on the 17th. It's a little bit older, but still going to go over a little bit of the information. So the shares rose in value on Thursday the 16th with the stock up 4.5%. This kind of goes over some more trade information. The market cap standing out at about 228.49 million. And again, I'm just going to scroll through this. It's got great ratings, 50% buy, 100% buy, 100% buy. So, shareholder alert, Robbins LLP investigates Aquestive Therapeutics on behalf of shareholders. This is dated on the 21st. So this is investigating Aquestive Therapeutics to determine whether certain officers and directors violated securities laws and breached their fiduciary duty to the company. Aquestive is a specialty pharmaceutical company that develops products to address unmet medical needs. The company's most advanced proprietary product candidate is Libervant diazepam, the first oral diazepam-based therapy for the treatment recurrent of epileptic seizures. So you can see how this one could make some money just from that right there. You can go for more information right there. Might as well click there and see where it takes us. We'll come back to it. So this is going over again how they may have misled investors. So I'm just going to scroll through the rest of this information. So it's a new drug application to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. So again, you can find all this right on Yahoo Finance. Investigation of Aquestive Therapeutics Incorporated. Again, kind of some of the same information. So this was on December 2nd of 2019. So that might have something to do with the volatility of this stock as well. Analyst sees a rise to $7, and what next? This is dated on the 22nd. So again, it goes over the shareholder rights. Stock has also lost 12.87% of its value over the past 7 days. However, AQST stock has declined by 0.68% in the 3 months of the year over the past 6 months. Meanwhile, it has lost minus 0.90% and lost 17.76% year on date. The market cap for AQST stock reached $170.19 million, with 39.23 million shares outstanding and 39.01 million shares in the current float. Here's what leading stock market gurus have to say about Aquestive Therapeutics. Based on careful and fact by analysts, Wall Street experts, the current consensus on the target price for AQST shares is $15.40 per share. Analysts on target price performance stocks is usually carefully studied by market experts, and the current Wall Street consensus on AQST stock is a recommendation set at $1.80. Rating represents a strong buy recommendation of the scale from 1 to 5, where 5 would be a strong sell, 4 represents a sell, and 3 is a hold, and 2 indicates a buy. And we'll go over more ratings here at the end. EPS earnings for Aquestive Therapeutics lowered by Webull. Stock analyst Webull reduced their earnings estimates for Aquestive Therapeutics in research note issued to investors on Wednesday, December 22nd. Now expects that the company will earn $2.13 per share for the year, down from their prior estimates of $2.31. Webull currently has a buy rating and a $26 target price on the stock. Webull also issued estimates for Aquestive Therapeutics earnings at $3.60 earnings per share. So kind of ratings, kind of different from a couple different sources. It's all got great ratings. All looks like it's projected to go up. So whether it does or not is another story. So It's always good to see good ratings from a couple different websites, a couple different analysts. Analyst revisions show improving sentiment for Aquestive Therapeutics. This is dated on the 27th, so yesterday. So the closed lower on Thursday, December 23rd, dropping 1.71% below the previous close. Aquestive Therapeutics has a market valuation of $164.71 million and is expected to release its quarterly earnings report on March 7, 2022 to March 11, 2022. So if you're in this one, you might want to put those dates on your calendar. They have a forecast the quarterly EPS to shrink by 0.45 per share for the quarter, while the same analysts predict the annual EPS to hit 1.7 or $1.70 for the year 2021 and up to minus $1.36 for 2022. And going to scroll through the rest of that information. You can find all this right on stockregister.com. Nothing up to date there on Reddit. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $3.92 with a 52-week low of $3.10, high of $7. Looks like it will probably be approved around February. They will only get to decide how it will be regulated, and they didn't have enough time to decide. 2 months may be enough. Never received a response from IR after the FDA letter. And over here on MSN Money, also showing it as a buy. And here on TipRanks, currently at $3.92 with a strong buy, 4 out of 4, and a 333% upside to $17, high of 26, low of 13. I would even take the low at 13. So, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information that you might have that we can share, and see who all has this one. And if you have any other information in regards to AQST, go ahead and put that in the comments as well. And if there's any other stocks you want me to go over and make a video about it, I'd be happy to take a look and see what I can do on that. And if you haven't smashed the like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.